about to go play in that water. I am so excited. Let's go. Well, I'll be truthful. I'm not getting in, but they're gonna get in. There we go. I don't know if we've introduced her yet. This is our sister Carrie and her best friend Eva. It was so cool because Eva got to visit this year.
All right, where are we? So we are on Ginger Lane, about right there. We gotta go back up here and take Carol and take whatever this one was to 54 Business. Then we'll come around here. And we'll go just past the Walmart and we'll take a right. And we'll come down in here to the boat launch.
Cool.
WFO, WFH,
WFO,
Water Sports.
With this attached to the driver, you just turn the key like you do your car.
What are we doing?
Shut. The power button's over here, and then all the controls are here.
Okay.
Did you get his phone number?
No.
Let's get it.
So,
Looks like it's on here.
yep, that's got our number.
Okay, that's
This is in neutral, so I can hit the start.
Start is the key.
Start is the key. Okay,
Ready for me to untie it?
I guess so.
Ready enough, anyway?
Good enough. Elm. Are they? I know. I also, he said, stay 100 feet away from everything on the edge. So, try to do that. All right, I can turn this up. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1.
We had a little incident with the sunglasses. All is fine. We're on our way. I didn't know that was gonna happen, so no, I missed the whole blah.
Right next to your brakes.
Whoa!
Whoa!
bye.
Whoa!
Missed that.
There we go.
I'm sorry.
You're neutral.
I know, but I'm scared.
The adventure begins. Here we go. Woo!
Are you going to narrate the whole
I am going to narrate.
Complete your video, you should send us a link.
I will.
We've got email on the website.
Okay, I'll tag y'all and send you the link.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. I've never seen the sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. Ain't nobody like. Ain't nobody like. And you're taking me high.
So we can take the boat to the 7-mile marker. We can take the boat from 7 down to where we pick it up, or we can take it this way all the way to here, the 26-mile marker, or we can go up here into the state park.
And that's where we're headed. We're headed to the park.
Oh, is he in the water? Is Aunt Carrie Aunt Eva in the water?
This is so cool.
You having fun?
Yes. Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
So Eva and Carrie have jumped into the water. Karen and I are gonna have some grapes. Sounds good to me.
It's California weather, it's like 90 degrees, it's making me hot.
Mmm.
Come over here, Carrie. Come over here, honey. Okay, here we go.
That is a real camera.
A little different than all the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned, wear a hat, sometimes play chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage thing. Good old complexions that I adore. So hard to find, they seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. Out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, you're whisking me. The lights were dim as our eyes met, you saw me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. Out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, your whiskey meets. The lights were dim as our eyes met, and you saw me. And forevermore, to share that vintage dream. Forevermore, we're living in that vintage dream.
Well, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.